In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to visually engage visitors, showcase your latest products, and create a lively atmosphere on your website. Let's dive right in and break down the process into easy steps so you can have this fantastic feature up and running in no time. First off, we will need to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to look for the Apps section. This is essentially where you can customize and enhance your store with various applications. Click on Apps and get ready to explore some options that will bring your Instagram feed to life right on your website. Now that you've landed on the Apps page, the next thing you need to do is search for InstaFeed. InstaFeed is a very handy app that helps integrate your Instagram directly into Shopify. Once you find it in the search results, go ahead and click to install it. The installation process should be straightforward, but as you're doing this, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to confirm the installation. Just hit confirm and it will continue with the installation. It's always a good idea to make sure you're comfortable with the permissions it's asking for. After InstaFeed is installed, it's time to connect your Instagram account. It's important to note that you need a professional Instagram account for the integration. This means either a business or creator account, which allows you better insights and connectivity features. Once your account is switched to a professional status, go ahead and link it to the InstaFeed app. This step will ensure that your feed reflects the same high-quality content you post on Instagram, right on your Shopify store says. Once connected, it's time to navigate to your Shopify editor page. Here, you'll want to click on Add section. This step is crucial as it allows you to add the Instagram feed wherever you want on your site's layout. The flexibility here lets you place your Instagram content strategically on crucial pages or even right on your landing page to captivate your visitors' attention. Finally, after everything is perfectly in place, hit Save to finalize your changes. It's important to always remember to save your progress to prevent any loss of the work done so far. By saving, you ensure that your Instagram feed is now live and ready for your website visitors to enjoy. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully integrated your Instagram feed into your Shopify store, adding a personal and engaging touch to your business page. Feel free to customize and experiment further to best fit your style and aesthetic. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful.